In this video, I'll show you just how easy it is to add door-activated interior lights to the footwell of your Generation 5 Prius. This one is a 2025 Plug-In SE. You can see without any lights, it's pretty dark. Now, if your car already has footwell lights, then this is how you'd swap them out for a different color. This is what they look like. Most trim levels have the wire you need to do this video, but the LE harness does not. These two are standard white, but you can get them in about a half a dozen different colors, and I'm sure links will magically appear in the video description for the different colors that are available, so be sure to check that out. So where are these located? There's a panel underneath both the driver and passenger side. This is the driver's side, and you can see there's a Phillips screw on the left. There's another Phillips screw over here on the right, and then there's a couple of little thumb releases as well. So we'll start by removing the screws. Pretty easy to do, standard Phillips screwdriver, and you can pull those out, push the thumb releases forward, and the panel will drop down. This is how they work. Give you a better look at these latches. They just kind of push forward. And this is the OBD plug. Be careful with that. And in this little parking spot with a thumb release is the little power supply, and it just pulls right out when you push the thumb release. This is the bulb we bought to put in place, and you'll notice that once we plug it in, it comes on because we're working with the door open right now. And there's a spot on the panel, just push straight down and it snaps into place. Now to get the panel lined up correctly, there's a tongue here, and I'll give you a better view. This is where it plugs in, a little slot. Make sure you feed the tongue into that, and then align your little thumb tab latches, snap those into place, and the screw holes should automatically line up. So now you can go ahead and put the Phillips screws back in. And we'll do the one on the left. And now you'll notice there's plenty of light in the footwell. Now the passenger side is even easier. There are no screws to remove. There are 3 of the thumb latches, so just push those forward, the panel will fall down, and you'll see 2 tongues in the back that were plugged in, and you're going to want to realign those. And sure enough, here's your little power supply plug. And before we plug in the bulb, it's a little different on the passenger side. There's a spot where you actually twist it a quarter turn clockwise and it snaps, but it's really loose. I know it's going to rattle, so this is a double stick mounting tape. And I just decided I'm going to put a little piece of that on each side of the light so it won't rattle. So I've got one on the left, and we'll go ahead and put another one on the right side. There, now this thing's snug, it will not rattle. Okay, now when we plug it in, you'll see the light come on. And now let's get those 2 tongues in the back lined up, put those in their slots, snap the thumb latches into place, and that's it. So now we've got the passenger footwell lit up. And it takes about, when you close the door, 15 seconds for it to shut off. And when it does and you open it back up, you'll see how they gradually come on. It's kind of a nice effect. They shut off in sort of a self-dimming way as well. So let's go back over to the driver's side. Looks like this was a good fix. If this helped you guys out, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And to help out anybody else trying to put these on their car, please do share this video. Thanks for watching.